I like trains.
Hello everyone, I'm back here at Point of Rocks, Maryland. We have a loaded coal C782 that is approaching Point of Rocks as we speak, and yep, crossings are going off. He is entering the old main line right now. Here he comes. Oh, Lane Productions and that Western Maryland guy are here. Well, this one's thundering. Here he comes. That one, Dad. Loaded coal, taking the old main. Track 3. Yep, so just 3 front, no DPU. 418 axles, 3 engines, 100 coal loads for Baltimore. Now that the coals have been coming more regularly, since the key bridge collapse, it's all the dolly got removed, everything is removed. Everything is cleared up now. So they're having more and more coal trains going through. End should be approaching very soon. And we do have another train after this. Go inside. PhD, I don't even know. This, Mingo? I don't know. These graffiti people are just so weird. Cubby, and there's the ghost, another ghost, another ghost, no ghost, a ghost, a ghost. No ghost on that one. There's, yep. I just don't understand. Mr. Skin was on that one. Ghost and a ghost and a ghost. What does CSX think this is? Halloween? That one said something weird. SHC, I don't know what that means. There's the last car of C782. Alright, thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Future content here from Point of Rocks, Maryland.